Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to connect your Squarespace domain to a Google Sites website. So let's jump right in. So first, if you don't already have a domain, you will need to purchase one. We will be using Squarespace today, but you can use any domain provider if you prefer. So first of all, start by searching for the domain you want. First of all, you have to go to Squarespace official website. This one, as you can see right here, tap onto it, and after clicking onto it you have to tap on to get started, or if you have an account you can simply log in. So for the purpose of this video I'm going to log into Squarespace using my Google account. So I'll be tap on this option called continue with Google, then I'm going to choose my Gmail account. So after then I'm going to tap on to continue. So after logging into it, so I'm gonna create my account with my Google Gmail account. So after completion of the login phrase, now I have to start by searching for the domain I want. So if you want, like, you have to search for the domain you want, so find the search option here. You can customize your choice from here. For example, like online store, here you can see this. Tap on to get started, and here you have to search for your site topic. For example, I am building a photography portfolio, so I am searching for a domain called myself. So now I'll have to choose the one I want to go with. So as you can see, you have to enter some information here, like what do I want to do with my website. So for example, I'm gonna tap on to sell online courses, then tap next. Also you can skip all these options. Now from there you can choose a template, or you can simply build one. So for this purpose of the video I'm gonna go with the choose a template. So now you have to choose any template you like, so I'll go with the first one. Now you can customize their image, like I'm gonna tap onto this, start with this image. So let the things set up. Now you can edit this from here, but I'll go with this. As you can see, it's preview, so that's it. And then tap on it. So tap on this website. That's it. So this is how you can customize your templates. And so let's head over to the main steps. Wait a few seconds. Like this one. So now you have to choose tap on to get started, and then search for the topic of your site, like what type of topic you want. So for example, I'm gonna type photography. Now tap onto this and then tap next. So now you have to choose what do you want to do with your website. For example, I'm gonna tap onto showcase work expertise and then tap next. Now you have to choose your template and etc. So then you have to proceed. Like domains usually cost anywhere from $10 to over $100 per year depending on the type. For now I am picking one that fits my brand and budget. So now that you know how to customize your website like themes, now you have bought your domain, it's time to connect it to your Google Sites. So go into your Squarespace account and click onto domains. From the sidebar here you can see this, tap onto it, find your new domain and open the DNS settings. So you have to tap onto get a domain and you can buy one from here. So you have to start your search, like start your domain name, search for your domain name, then tap enter. As you can see, here's some. So I will go with the first one, massels.com, and as you can see it is $14 per year. You just have to tap onto it and then tap checkout. So after buying a domain, you will notice some pre-existing DNS records. Since you are not connecting to a Squarespace website, we'll delete those default records from there. So you have to choose like for how long you want this domain. For example, I want it for 2 years, so it will be around $34. Then tap onto save and continue. Now you have to enter all your informations here, like your contact information, your first name, last name, your email address, your US phone number, and if you're from outside of US, you have to choose your country from here and then tap onto that one. Now you have to enter your street address, then your APT, state, postal code, country, like you have to choose your country from here, and this one is optional, which is organization. Then you have to tap on to save and continue. So after clicking on save and continue, you have to open your Google site. Next, you have to head over to your Google Sites dashboard and open the website you want to connect to your domain to. In the top right corner here, you can see this 3 icon. You have to tap onto it, and from there you have to tap onto settings, search for the settings option, this one gear icon, then click on custom domains, search for the custom domains option. Search for domains. You have to search for domains here. As currently I don't own any domains right now, so it is not showing here. So you have to buy a domain first and then go there and search for your custom domains option. So after searching for custom domains option, you have to click on custom domains and start setup process. You will enter your domain name there. For example, as I choose this one like massel.com, just choose that domain you bought, and Google will ask you to verify ownership. To verify, Google will give you a text record. This is a special code. Copy the TXT record, go back into your Squarespace DNS settings and click add record. Choose TXT as the record type. In the name field, usually you just type @ and in the value or text field paste the code Google gave you. Then click save to add the record. Till now, if you have followed all the steps correctly, now you have to wait and verify your ownership. Like after adding the TXT record, go back to Google Sites and click verify. DNS changes can take time to update globally. Sometimes it is instant, but it can take up to 48 hours. If it does not verify immediately, don't worry, just wait and try again later. If verification through the txt record files fails, after some time you can try using the CNAME method instead. Google will give you a CNAME, this code, just like before, copy it and paste it, then back in the Squarespace here, add record again, but this time choose CNAME, paste the new information into the name and destination fields and save it. Then return to Google site and hit verify again. Here you have to search for custom domains option and then hit verify. Once verification is successful, your Squarespace domain will be officially connected to your Google site. It might take 10 to 20 minutes for everything for fully sync. So after that, anyone typing your domain will land directly on your Google Sites website from here, like this. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends if you know someone trying to connect their domain to, and make sure to check the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.